share. Present education, curriculum and pedagogy, we want to include this literacy, numeracy, science, then pranic science also. Then only the education going to complete. Now all are in a pandemic situation because this virus, this pandemic situation is a man-created. Means knowledge created. Modern education created this situation. This situation we want to change. Man want to change or man want to decide because humans knowledge create this situation. Not only this pandemic, the environment, all the present world problems because of human knowledge or education is the main cause. The education is changed because partial education means objective oriented education only for material benefit. When it is going to develop or the objective and subjective separation or separation we can remove and both are the own. That oneness when we can able to realize, then only each and every individual can able to love everybody. Which way we are loving our own self. That very important aspect. Everybody expecting, all of them want to love me. That way I want to love the world. The world is my extension. The world and self, there is no separate entity. When I am going to expand, become the world. Then receive, become I. There is no separate entity. This knowledge can only serve present world or all the time human being want to become humane. This knowledge is necessary. For that, this education for total consciousness is very important for every human being. All of those who are involving for tuning each and every country, especially politicians, especially want to know about this reality. Then only they can become a real politician. Then only they can able to serve the country. This way, each and every individual want to know this. Then only they can love the politician and the country and the nation unity and the global peace and happiness. Everything we want to re-establish. The total education is very, very important. This education providing the individual health, environmental health, society health, the universal health also. All the universe want to become balanced. This knowledge is very important. For that, this total education is very, very important. Anyhow, so we want to just discussing about the importance of total education. Anyhow, so we don't want to extend, so we talk in a long time. So we're going to conclude. When you want to love your own self, you must expand, become a universe. Because you are respecting universal love. The whole world want to love me. If you want such a love, such a happiness, definitely the total consciousness oriented education is essential. Thank you.